The Philippines' digital transformation will be on full throttle according to President Bongbong Marcos Jr. during his first SONA last July 25th, Monday. And he specifically mentioned that you should subscribe to the White Shirt Guy.
Ginagawa mo!
So ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin nito para sa ating mga freelancers at ano nga ba ang mga paghahanda na dapat natin gawin once the government truly carries out their promise in helping the creative industry? President Bongbong Marcos Jr. spoke briefly about how the creative industry, specifically ang mga kaibigan nating freelancers, got affected. No live shows, no movie tapings, businesses closing down left and right, and many more.
The creative industry likewise faces many challenges, and the welfare of our beloved freelancers, sila na nagbibigay ng kaluluwa at pagkakilala sa ating pagka-Pilipino. Protektahan natin sila.
Unfortunately, ang mga hanap buhay na ito ang unang pinadapa ng pandemya at ang pinakahuling namang makakabalik sa normal. Today, we will be reviewing a couple of free and paid online learning platforms that will help you get ready. And syempre, di nyo na kailangan mag-experiment kasi ako na mismo nag-enroll ako and nag-subscribe ako to different online learning platforms para di nyo na kailangan gumastos agad-agad. And stay until the end of the video as I'll be giving away gift cards to 5 individuals. Ang kailangan nyo lang gawin ay like ang video na to, mag-subscribe at hanapin at i-comment ang keyword or key phrase natin for the day na nakatago somewhere in the video. So ano bang hinihintay natin? Let's get right into it. We don't necessarily need to put out loads of money agad-agad. When you are starting, try to get the feel of the landscape first. Try mo muna matutunan yung mga keywords, ano ibig sabihin nito, saan ba ito ginagamit, and most importantly, self-awareness. What's your strength and weaknesses at marami pang iba. Then, once alam mo na kung saan ka magaling at hindi, that's when you consider paid courses. But first, maximize free learning platforms. First up, lalayo pa ba tayo? We have Facebook Blueprint. In this platform, ang pwede mo matutunan ay from the basics hanggang specifics. There are free certifications available for specific job posts or role, whether you want to take the path of a creative strategist, community manager, data scientist, at marami pang iba. Ang kinaganda ni Facebook Blueprint ay meron na siyang nakaset na mga programs for specific groups or industries. Gaya ng kunyari ikaw ay small business, you are an agency owner, or you are an educator just like me. In short, if you are a freelancer who wants to focus on social media, hindi ka magkakamali with Facebook Blueprint. Next on our list, very much close to my heart, it's Google Garage. Whether you want to pursue social media or digital marketing, andito na lahat ng kailangan mo. Here in the Garage, there are a lot of courses from beginners to advanced with Google certification. Na talaga namang kapag sinabing ikaw ay Google expert or Google partner, aba, hindi ka pwedeng ismalin. Ang ginaganda ni Google Garage over other platforms is that it's based on search patterns or behaviors ng mga tao. Kung ano yung strings of questions, click patterns, and scenarios as to when people go sa search engine to know more about something. Tandaan, sa consumer journey, meron tayong tinatawag na research phase. At alam naman natin na pag sinabi mong research, hindi Facebook ang top of mind natin, kundi ang Google search engine. And of course, the top platform for the free category is none other than HubSpot Academy. Majority ng mga VA or virtual assistant friends natin, HubSpot ang go-to platform nila for learning and also because of their overall ecosystem. Merong tool kasi si HubSpot na ginagamit majority ng mga foreign agencies and SMEs in handling their business gaya ng newsletter, project management tools, and of course, keyword research. Variety gave HubSpot the unfair advantage over Facebook Blueprint and Google Garage. Habang sila ay nakafocus sa mismong platforms nila, si HubSpot ay nag-offer ng parehong certifications from beginners to advanced for both Google and Facebook. So if your question now is where to start, I highly recommend you guys to take on the fundamentals of digital marketing first and familiarize yourselves with the terminologies and the different platforms available. And before we move on to our paid category, if you are liking this video, please consider subscribing, like this video, and share it to your friends or colleagues so that YouTube can show our content to more people like you who are starting their creative journey. Moving on to our paid category, and para mas mabilis ang pag-review natin, gumawa ako ng 5 parameters na every starting freelancer should consider in looking into different learning platforms. Udemy was one of the first online learning platforms that were created a decade ago, with the primary goal of learn anything, anytime, and anywhere. So number 1, roster of instructors. From my experience, I saw a lot of award-winning individuals like Guy Kawasaki and Seth Godin. So they are off to a pretty good start. Next, number 2, variety of courses. They offer a lot of courses from design, leadership, productivity to marketing at marami pang iba. In terms of quality, of course, dito na magkakaroon ng mga big differences. In terms of video quality, majority ng mga videos ay naka 3060p or medyo low quality. And dito, this can affect the student's interest and attention. Sa unang tingin, kamukha niya sa YouTube 10 years ago with the video quality and the thumbnails that they are using. Number 4, resources available. There are downloadable resources depende sa course na kukunin mo. Merong mga 3 lang, meron din namang lagpas 20 yung resources, especially kapag graphics na siya, no? Pero ang downside lang ni Udemy is wala siyang section kung saan pwede mong i-post yung mga projects na nagawa mo in applying everything that you've learned from the course. In short, wala siyang community building. Number 5, price. Si Udemy wala siyang subscription or sign-up fee, pero may bayad siya per course na kukunin mo. And it ranges from 500 pesos to 800 pesos. Next is Skillshare. Dito sa Skillshare, instant access ka sa thousands, as in thousands of courses, projects, and tools na pwede mong gamitin. But, ang tanging downside lang para sa akin ni Skillshare is their roster of instructors. Okay, so roster of instructors. Yes, we have our all-time favorite Gary V in this platform. We also saw Guy Kawasaki and Seth Godin here in Skillshare as well. And Skillshare didn't quite thought about this one kasi even the introduction ng mga instructors natin, hindi lahat sila nagpakita ng credentials or proof of work. No, so hindi natin malaman kung ito bang tao na to credible to really teach me, and hindi ko alam kung worth it ba talaga yung pagbili ko ng isang course dito. Number 2, variety of courses. They also offer a wide range of courses from strategy to execution up to analytics. Number 3, quality of the course and the video. Most of the courses that I've tried in here were shot in the comfort of their homes and or offices, no? Pero in terms of curriculum quality, hindi siya ganun ka-in-depth, no? Para lang siyang punong-puno siya ng mga terminologies. Wala na akong na-experience na step-by-step guide answering the question, how? Number 4, resources available. Averaging from 1 to 3 resources lang kahit graphics na yung course na kinuha ko. So, the intention talaga siguro dito is make your own, no? Ang nagustuhan ko with Skillshare naman was the discussion section, kung saan nakakapagtanong yung mga students and nakakapaglagay sila ng mga works nila para makapag-comment din yung instructor. Number 5, yung price. Di gaya ni Udemy, si Skillshare ay subscription-based, no? Na $15 per month or 850 pesos per month. You can say na buffet style si Skillshare, kung saan masusulit mo lang yung binayad mo kung magte-take ka ng course at makakatapos ka ng mga around 3 courses per month. Okay, so before we reveal the best paid online learning platform, our keyword or key phrase for the day is, and make sure to comment our key phrase for the day with the following information. So for the best paid online learning platform is none other than Domestika. They are a platform that focuses on building a creative community, where the best of the best in the industry in different countries shares their experience. So sa roster of instructors, ang downside lang para sa akin ni Domestika ay 70% ng mga courses nila ay Spanish ang language. Pero syempre, meron naman silang caption to help you in the course. But, ang kinaganda naman ay yung bawat opening ng mga instructor, pinapakita nila yung mga kliyente na nakatrabaho. Mo na kagad, dun pa lang sa intro, kung talaga bang sulit yung course na bibilin mo. Number 2, variety of courses. Malawak din yung offerings nila. So, from strategy-based courses to technical courses like 3D design, and web design. In terms of quality ng course and the video, all videos are high definition and they have this distinct and uniform look and feel. So, quality-wise, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko kay Domestika ay in-depth learning. As in, you'll feel na the instructors didn't hold back in sharing their knowledge about the topic. Number 4, downloadable resources. Napakadaming resources na pwede mong i-download. Pati na din yung discussion o activity tab where you'll see conversations and proof of work ng mga students nila. So, na-apply kagad nila kung ano yung natutunan nila doon sa course. Number 5, in terms of price, si Domestika ay hybrid. Pwedeng no subscription tapos kukunin mo lang ay per course. Pero, ang price range niya ay naglalaro around 500 to 800. Pero kung ikaw ay mag-upgrade to Domestika Plus, you'll need to pay an annual fee of 3,000 pesos. Pero yung mga course naman ay magiging discounted na to 250 hanggang 500 pesos na lang. So in short, yung 3,000 pesos na investment mo in 1 year, mababawi mo siya kagad sa dami ng matututunan mo. Okay, so ngayon, let's pair each platforms to different creative freelancers based on their journey. But before that, again, make sure to like this video, consider subscribing, and most importantly, share this to your friends, your colleagues, and your family so they too will be guided kung saan nga ba ang pinakamagandang platform. And that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about different learning platforms and my take on them, please do consider subscribing or watch the next video, and let's try to be better one day at a time.